I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install DAX Studio on Windows 11 operating system. Then after connect with the Microsoft Power BI. So Power BI that already installed there. So to get the software in Google search box, write there DAX Studio. Then go on this DAX Studio org site. Click this. This you can get there on this 2026 352 is the version and exe file. You need to click this. Then here the file is currently downloading. Total numbers of download is 31K. Thereafter simply you need to click on this exe file. So install on your recommended. Install for me. Okay, recommended, that's going to click there. Now thereafter click on this I accept, next, 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 create icon, and let's click on this next, and now click on install. This here installing this DAX Studio, and if you want then you can launch here icon that's created. Installing there, you need to open this place Power BI or desktop app. So here already have one project with the name EMP, and here you can see this is charts is there. Now thereafter let's click on this DAX Studio. So here when this Power BI that's open, then you can get this button Power BI that's enabled here EMP. So EMP that's here from Power BI, this is detected in the DAX Studio. Thereafter simply this selected there, thereafter click on this connect. So this connected here. Starting tapping your query in areas, evaluate this and click on OK. After that you can start using this, and here you can start using this DAX Studio inside there. This is run button, all queries, server things, connect, this all there. So this is how we can do the installation of DAX Studio on Windows 11, then connect with the Power BI. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.